Hi, welcome to the AutoCAD 2D tutorial. In this class, we learned about the basic page setup like limits, units and dimensions. And also we have to know about different types of lines. First, limit setup. Go to the command line and type limits or else click right button and type LIM. LIM is the shortcut key of limits. In command line, enter 0, 0 and 100, 100. And press set enter and A enter. Next move into the unit setup. Click UN is the shortcut key of unit. Then set the architectural and inches and then OK. Next, dimensional setup. Enter D. D is the shortcut key of dimension setup. Go to the modify, press then primary unit, then architectural, click on OK button, then set current and close it. These are the basic page setups. Next we are moving to the different types of lines. First one normal line and second one polyline. Shortcut key for the line is L. We want straight line, we must press auto on. F8 is the shortcut key. Normal line is the most common line in 2D drawings. You draw it between 2 points. Example, we draw walls, edges or boundaries. Sometimes we want a cross line, we have to off the auto button. Then it appears cross line. It does not make perfect straight line. Next, polyline. Shortcut key of polyline is PL. Polyline is a connected series of line segments and arc. For example, these lines we are using in the drawing the outer line of a floor plan. Then draw a straight line. Press left click. And then select arc. Draw arc, click it, then type L, click on it and draw straight line. Again click right button and then type arc. ARC is the shortcut key for the arc. In this type we draw polyline. In this way we can draw any type of polyline. Press again PL, draw straight line, then enter ARC. Again it shows arc, then click right button. Then again we can also make this type of arc. Then press OK. And type LN, click OK, then join the line. Sorry, arc shortcut key is A, not ARC. In polyline, it acts as one single object. We select one line, it select overall object like this. We press delete button, it deletes overall object. It's not delete one line. And press undo button. In normal line we can select one line or individual single lines. It does not select overall objects. We can also delete the single lines It does not delete the overall object. These are the difference between line and polylines.